The analyzer's pinch valve tubing needs to be replaced on a regular basis to ensure analytical performance and correct system operation. Frequency of this replacement is application and use specific. This video will show the step-by-step process needed to correctly replace the analyzer's pinch valve tubing.
For lab units, pinch valve tubing replacement is typically recommended every 6 months and should take 10 to 20 minutes to complete.
To replace the pinch valve tubing, you will need the following: a 3/8 inch spanner, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and one InnovOx pinch tubing kit. Anytime we're performing maintenance on an InnovOx, we should always take safety precautions. That means wearing safety glasses, chemical-resistant gloves, and of course, a lab coat.
Before performing maintenance on the analyzer, remove the fluidics cover. Remove the dilution water, acid, and oxidizer sipper tubes from the right side of the analyzer. Using a 3/8 inch spanner, remove the sample inlet tubing from the left side of the analyzer by turning the nut anti-clockwise. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws used to attach the analyzer's front cover by turning them anti-clockwise. Remove the analyzer's front cover by gently pulling the right side towards you and over the reagent bulkheads. Locate the 6-way manifold and use a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the mounting bolt by turning it anti-clockwise. Gently pull the 6-way manifold forward to remove the pinch tubing from V5SH. Disconnect the V1SH and V5SH pinch valve tubing from the 6-way manifold. Remove the tubing from V1SH. Remove the V5SH pinch tubing by disconnecting it from the top of the sparger. Using a 3/8 inch spanner, disconnect the vial port sample tube by turning the nut anti-clockwise. Remove the 3 mounting bolts from the vial port using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver by turning them anti-clockwise. Remove the vial port from the analyzer. Flip the vial port over and disconnect the pinch tubing. Disconnect both sides of the V3R, V6R, and V7R pinch tubing and remove. For convenience, it is recommended that the sparger also be cleaned at this time. For detailed instructions on how to do this, see the Cleaning the Sparger video in this maintenance series. Using the previously removed pinch valve tubing as a template, cut 5 new sections of tubing, 1 for each location. You can also use the measurements provided here if necessary. It is critical to instrument operation that the new tubing be cut to the same lengths as that being replaced. Install a new section of pinch tubing onto the vial port barb. To aid in pinch tubing installation, navigate to the Sample Handling Valves Diagnostic menu and open V1SH before reinstalling the vial port. Place the vial port back into the opening on the front of the analyzer and thread the pinch tubing through V1SH, making sure not to kink it. Reattach the vial port sample tube by turning the nut clockwise using a 3/8 inch spanner. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the 3 vial port mounting bolts by turning them clockwise. Close V1SH. Reinstall the analyzer front cover. Start by placing the cover on the left side of the analyzer, making sure to align the cutout with the sample port. Then pull the right side of the cover over the reagent bulkhead fittings. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the 4 mounting bolts used to attach the front cover by turning them clockwise. Install a new section of pinch tubing onto the top of the sparger. To aid in pinch tubing installation, open V5SH. Connect the top of the V5SH pinch tubing to the bottom barb of the 6-way manifold. Connect the free end of the V1SH pinch tubing to the upper left barb of the 6-way manifold. Thread the pinch tubing through V5SH. Secure the 6-way manifold with the mounting bolt by turning it clockwise using a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. The V5SH pinch tubing should remain straight. Adjust the 6-way manifold position if necessary. Close V5SH, then navigate to the reactor valves diagnostic menu. Open V3R. Install the V3R section of pinch tubing starting at the reactor inlet barb. Next, thread the tubing through the valve. Finally, connect the loose section of tubing to the sparger outlet barb. Close V3R. Install the V6R section of pinch tubing starting at the reactor inlet barb. Next, thread the tubing through the valve. Finally, connect the loose section of tubing to the reactor outlet barb. And open V7R. Install the V7R section of pinch tubing starting at the reactor outlet barb. Next, thread the tubing through the valve. Finally, connect the loose section of tubing to the upper barb on the front of the gas-liquid separator. Close V7R and exit the diagnostic menu.
Reinstall the DI water, acid, and oxidizer sipper tubes to the right side of the analyzer. Using a 3/8 inch spanner, reattach the sample inlet tubing by turning the nut clockwise.
Reinstall the fluidics cover and perform a reagent flush. Pinch valve tubing replacement is now complete and the system is ready for analysis. For additional information or to view other videos in this series, please visit us at www.suezwatertechnologies.com.